Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today we're going to be talking about how to change the home points on the Dji Mini 2 when you're not wanting the home point to stay the same. So today I'm on my bike and I'm going to be riding it along this shoreline here. So if I was, for example, take this drone off here, I don't want the home point to stay the same because it's going to end up coming back to this location and I want to be carrying on further up that way. So how am I going to be able to change that location so it doesn't come back to the actual home point? And you can easily do that in the settings, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. The trickiest part with this drone is because it doesn't have axis track, it's been able to actually fly the drone while cycling as well, which is pretty hard. But once you've mastered that, you want to be able to change that home point. If, for instance, you lose signal, it can get back to you. So let's find out how to do it. Okay, so I found a location I'm going to set off from, so I'm going to just set off the drone a little bit further from me here, but the home point is actually going to be recorded as currently is this location where I am stood, which is on that bridge in that circle. So I don't want it returned to here because I'm going to be cycling, so you want it to actually be able to change that location whilst you're actually on the move. How do you do that? Dead simple. Click on those three buttons in the corner there, and then you want to click on update home point. This will now bring up a map, and this is your location where you are, so make sure airplane mode not on. And you can do three things within this setting. I can click on the icon on the right hand side, which is RC, and that will put the drone to where I am currently, where the controller is, or I can click the top button, that's the location of the drone. Or what you can also do is you can actually drag with your finger and select different home points by moving that H along the map, which is brilliant if you know where you're going to be walking to, if you're going to be cycling or running or on a boat. Once you've selected your location I have there, you just press OK and that's done. That will save it and update that as a new home point. As you can see in the top left corner now, that home point has been adjusted. So now you can see I'm going to cycle now to the location of that new home point. Okay, brilliant. So if you look in the left corner now, you'll see that distance is going down. So I'm getting closer now to that new home point. So you can actually continue flying past it like I have done now, or you can stop and create a new home point, but I'm just going to go a little bit further. Okay, so it's going a bit further now, and now I need to change that home point again before I get too far away. So if you look, the distance is quite far away from it. So dead simply, again, settings, go to update home point. It will then show me where I am. I can click the RC if I want, and it will just select me as the controller. I can then click return to home or just control it manually to me. But I'm going to continue up this prom just to this very end of it here, which is that corner. Select that as the new home point, okay. You can see it's been updated and I can now continue cycling up here. So as I'm now reaching the end of the prom, you can see that distance marker will be going down. As it sees here, it's on 40 and 30 meters. So that drone is getting to the home point location. So I'm now just spin it round and you'll be able to see me coming into the frame, into that location where we've set the second new home point. And it's a great tool to use to be able to actually adjust that home point when you're on the move, so you're not in a static place. As you can see, I'm just in that green circle now, coming into that location, the same as the drone, the same as that second home point we've set. You can keep adjusting it if you wish, but I've got to that location now here. If I wanted to, I can then think, right, where else can I go? And you can drag this as far as you want, but don't drag it too far because obviously you need to be able to get there, and if you lose connection, that's where the drone will go. So actually just having it, updating it regular like this is the best method. On some drones with active track, this will update automatically, but because we don't have active track, this is the best. But it's also a great feature built into the app, so keep using that, especially if you're cycling, running, or on a boat, anything where it's going to be moving. You don't want that location to be the same as where you've started. I'm landing it there now. That's the video over. I hope you found that helpful and useful, guys. Go on, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you very soon, guys. Take care. Bye bye.